Guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your Razer mouse or keyboard to basically stay in one color. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. In this case I will be using only mouse, but it will be literally the same on the keyboard as well if you're using both or one. It really doesn't matter, right? So first of all, just click on your devices here and click on your mouse or keyboard. Then you need to go to lighting. Then here you can adjust brightness, how bright it can be, and you can turn off lighting by just setting 0 on the brightness. And then on the quick effects here, you can select static color, and then on static color you can change to whatever you like here, right? And your mouse or the keyboard will be on the one color. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.